welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis Sierra, and whoa. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis Sierra, and thank you for clicking on my video. You know what I'm saying? Who even up? But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Y'all know I don't waste no time. I'm gonna get straight into it. This is aleixssierramgmt. I know I was right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna give y'all all of the information that you need to know about this wig, where I got it from, the name of it, the price, everything. I'm gonna show you how to install it. This is a reinstall. You heard me clearly. I know I was shook too. But yeah, you guys, so I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get right into this video. But if you have not subscribed, I'm just gonna give you the time to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got all day. You know, thank you for everyone that has subscribed and show love, the comments. I love it. I love to engage with you guys. So make sure that you're commenting just to like let me know what you thought about the video, what you want to see moving ahead, everything like that. I love to engage. Also follow me on all my social media. Shop my brand, amourlux.net. That is the website for it. And yeah, you guys, we're not gonna waste no time. Cause baby, who you know? Let's get right to this video. Before we jump right into the installment and everything, I do want to give you guys the specs and all of that information first, so you can know where to find it, honey, so you can get the same slay as me, period. So let's go. I get so excited with wigs. Like, I'm telling you, I love, like, baby, my mama taught me that if your head ain't done, the outfit ain't gonna ever come together, period. She ain't never lied. The wig, it is the Sensational Synthetic HD Lace Front. I got this color because it comes in several colors, but this is the Beta Unit 8, and this is in Money Peace Caramel. So yeah, this is like the color. I would say it has like a little like sandy brown, like that type of look to it. It's not like I would say it's a little bit lighter than a 2, like a 2. So consider that, depending on, you know, how you feel about the colors and everything. And then this is like not a 613, but dang near, like a little streak of that in there. But yeah, you guys, so I ordered it from Amazon. Right now, me looking at it today, the price is $59.99, so that's not really bad. It says there's only one left, honey, so I don't know who else is ripping and raving about this video. I mean, about this wig, but honey, y'all better get yours. But yeah, so this is again the Sensational HD Lace Front Wig and Money Peace Caramel. They do have like other shades, like 1B, 2, a 613. They have like so many colors, so there's options, but this is the one that I went with. So yeah, you guys, we are about to jump right into this video. So if I'm looking this way, y'all, it's because the mirror is right here. But I'm about to show y'all how we finesse this Synthetica, period. And y'all, this is actually my second time wearing this unit, so yeah, is it my second time? It's my second time. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a full ball cap method, lace front, all of that, because I'm gonna be giving you guys that. But you know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I don't be digging the ball cap method every time, because if you wear wigs, you feel what I'm saying. Like, who wants to have like 3 pieces of things glued to your forehead like that? Like, honey, I can't sleep good like that. The piece like broke off. Oh, it's on the back. Ruby Kisses RDF level 10 tone 10. So there we go. Yeah, so that's what I use, but like I said, it's been through the trenches. Like, it's been through the trenches. So as you guys can see in this clip, I'm applying the makeup. One of 2 things. I didn't need to apply this much makeup because, one, the lace on this wig is very HD transparent, so it's not too much of like off tone with the colors. But also, I got carried away applying too much makeup, so what I actually did after recording this is took the wig cap off and just put a new wig cap on, and I didn't need any makeup because it already had makeup on the lace from the previous install. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was too lazy to re-record the clips, but that is a way to fix the orange and red undertones. It's just because I was literally just talking and putting so much makeup on the stocking cap for no reason. This is she, darling. This is she. We're gonna bring her back to life. We gonna bring her back to life. But I mean, she's not really even dead. You know what I'm saying? She's just giving on vacation. Period. You know what I'm saying? Now we gotta put her back in commission and make her work. You know what I'm saying? All right. So sometimes what I do, as you can see, like a little bit. I don't know if you can tell really on the camera, but it's already like makeup on here. But I'm just gonna put a little bit more just to be on the safe side. This is my go-to, like, throwback of the throwbacks. I don't even know if they make this no more, like, but I've hit pan and I need a new one, so I hope they do. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, and then this is in W7 Caramel Beige. So that's the color I use. You know, if your skin complexion is similar to mine, I would say that's perfect. So I just take like this type of brush, like just something that, you know, has a little bit of from the end. And this is just, I love to use this. This is my actual like makeup brush for my wigs because it's dual ended, and we're gonna see how that goes into play. So just do a little bit, you know what to do. And I just put a little bit on where I need it because, again, like, well, this one doesn't give you that much lace and all that stuff, you know, which is fine because realistically, like, you're not parting your hair 500,000 ways. And maybe you are, you know, but I'm not. I'm lazy. I'm just patting it on. I like to pat it on versus like rubbing it. I mean, in my mind, I feel like it just, the makeup does go on there better versus rubbing it. So I literally just did all of that. Boom. But I always, oh, I don't struggle today. Hello, honey. So, boom. And I always tell people it's really hard to like reinstall a wig that you already cut the lace on, you know, because it's like you already cut the lace. Like once you cut the lace the first time, baby, it's cut. Like, you know, but look. Get it, bee. I entertain myself. Like, this is hilarious. I really like to use these. I think these are called like butterfly clips. I like these. These are like okay, but they gonna do what they need to do. And I also forgot to include that this wig is also structured with 2 combs on each side of your temple, as well as the adjustable strap in the back. Let me bring y'all in a little closer. And right here, I'm just adjusting the wig perfectly on my head, just trying to get it as close as I can from the way that I cut it originally. And as you guys can see, I did rip this lace, so be careful with this lace because I actually ripped it in 2 places, but it's okay, we're gonna fix that. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. So I just took like a small piece and like, you know, lift that down there. So. And what you want to do is like, you know, it makes it easier. Like when you're trying to put the whole thing on, it's like, girl, you got 2 hands trying to hold down the wig and everything. So just do it in pieces. Just do it in sections. That's always fine. I see people start theirs in like, you know, different sections. Whatever you feel comfortable with. I go ear to ear. Sometimes I start like part and then work my way. Just depends on what I'm feeling. But when I first started installing wigs myself, I was trying to put the whole thing on and I was stressed, honey. I was stressed. Make sure that you do is like that hair is like kind of combed up, so that way it's not drying that way. And so all I'm doing right now is doing it in sections. Cause who said you gotta put it on together all at the same time? Like, that don't make no sense. I bet you Eric and Tay ain't putting it all at the same time. Period. So now you take your handy dandy blow dryer. And I actually ripped the right side of the lace right here, so I'm just trying to be careful. Same thing, same thing. You're just gonna do it in sections. I kind of use the blow dryer to like get the main part, like, you know, where you want it, but then I always take a little scarf and tie down where I want it. So boom. All right, you kind of just move it where you need it to be, clearly. So while you're doing that, if y'all can tell, I ripped my lace. I told y'all I'm very rough, and I was rough with this wig. I don't even know why, because this is a cute wig. But I like ripped it right there, right? And you see how it kind of looks a little bit bigger? So I got something for that. I'm trying to give y'all everything all at once. Everything y'all need help with, I got you. So again, this is something that I bought a long time ago. I don't know if they even still make it, you know, or sell it or anything. So I mean, if you can find it, your best bet is probably to look on like Amazon or something, because you know Amazon got everything. They're right there. So basically you just shake it up. It's actually for your eyebrows. But what I do is, if I mess up in a time like this, then what I do is I just go into where like I messed up, right? And you're just adding it and making it darker, because you're adding, like, you know, to the part, basically. You see how, like, oh, girl, rip what lace? Rip what lace, baby? Don't play. I am not one of them. I'm gonna just say that. If I didn't say that before, let me stop. But for real, don't play with me, okay? I'm gonna help you. We're a team, you know what I'm saying? You subscribe, I help. You don't subscribe, I can't help. You dig what I'm saying? You smell me, you dig? And while a little shameless plug, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Cause this is literally like, I don't want people to think, you know, like, oh, she acting for the camera. Like, people that know me know this is like me. Like, I'm just goofy, high energy, all of that. Like, I don't know, I'm just like everything and more, darling, pretty much. Yo, I literally cracked myself up. But okay, I'm gonna stop playing, because some of y'all probably clicked on this video that don't know me and not subscribed. Y'all like, girl, just stay on topic, get to the video. Okay, I'm back. So now, as you can see, it's pretty much like, it looks way more like orange, like red undertones with my part, but it's actually not like that in person, so I don't really know. But yeah, so after this video, I also went back and added a little bit more of that makeup to the part, a little bit closer to the front, to make it a little bit more narrow, so it's not so wide. And then there's this end. So we already used this end, now we're gonna go in with this. This is perfect for when you're trying to get your part, little, you know, spaces, if you do the baby hairs and all of that, you know. So this is helpful for like the small details when you are about to bring the look together, which is what we're about to do. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit. And again, I like to pat, not rub. That's just my personal preference. You know, I see people do things in different ways. I just feel like when I'm rubbing the product, it ain't really doing nothing unless I need to like blend it out. But if I'm trying to actually, you know, get it to stay and be in that one area, I pat it in. I'll come back when we bringing this look together, because really, honestly, we're just sitting here and letting it melt and do its thing. But you see, I'm just having too much fun with this hair. Like, I'm playing with it like it's real, but baby, synthetic wear. And this is like a light kinky texture, so it's not giving like super duper, oh my gosh, like wrapping paper shiny, you know what I'm saying? But So like I was saying, if this wig in particular is not giving like shiny, it's a natural luster, but if you do have that problem with a La Sintética, then get you some dry shampoo. That really helps. And like I just use this little bottle, and I get this literally in the travel size, in the travel section at Walmart. It's usually always there. Baby, and we are good to go, baby. I just need to clean up this, which is expected. I like to use way more spray than I gotta use, so that way I don't have to go back and do all the extra, you know. Y'all know, or if you don't know, I'm not really the baby hair person, so I wear my hair pretty simple. I usually use witch hazel, but I also have alcohol as well. I don't know why I didn't think to grab Q-tips. I usually use Q-tips, but I have little cotton rounds, so same thing, same thing. So I'm just gonna take a little. And do it like such. So just go around. And the reason why I say I usually use Q-tips is because that's just, you know, smaller, more detailed, kind of similar to the concept of why I use the detailed end of the brush when I'm fixing the lace or anything like that, you know. So you see how like I really didn't even need it, but I did. So sometimes, you know, then that's when you take this and you dust it off. And that's why I say when people like rub things in, it's like you're kind of removing what you applied. So that's why I say pat it on first and then wipe, because if you did too much, then you can always take away, you know. So do it like that. And then don't forget, because sometimes I do, that you had this part covered, so you didn't ever put anything on the lace. You see how you can like clearly tell the difference right there? So and I'm not gonna go too crazy because like I said, on camera it looks way more orange and all that stuff and like clockable, but like in person right now I can't even tell. So I don't know why. I probably just have to fix the settings on my camera. But I just like to dust everything again because I just feel like that just brings things together, you know. I'm no expert. I ain't saying this how to do it. I'm just telling you how I did it. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.